Cleaning isn't glamorous, but it is absolutely crucial for the likes of engineers to ensure that their equipment is running as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Now, I'm here today at Sonic Solutions, who are the absolute pros at cleaning. Let's go check it out.
Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the owner of Sonic Solutions, who offer a service of cleaning industrial parts. It's been running for about 17-18 years. Where we really add value to customers is we offer a variety of cleaning and even a burn-off service which takes off plastics and paints, a jet washing which takes off kind of small particulate and oils, an ultrasonic cleaning which is submersion in a bath, and that really sucks out and gives a very fine clean to parts both on the outside and on the internal chambers. And then finally, probably a minor part, is a vapor blasting, which is a high pressure water with a media to kind of clean off car parts. The obvious example, it leaves a very nice shiny finish, which people like for vintage car restoration and stuff like that. They get in touch with us because obviously they have a dirt problem. You know, it's as simple as that. Either they're not getting the results they want in-house, or it's a new problem they've got that they don't know what the solution is. We often take parts in for a trial clean, and that achieves two things. One, we can see that we can clean it and how much it costs to clean it, and two, the proof of the pudding, they can see the standard we get it to which we can get it. So it gives a bit of confidence and certainty from both sides. But usually it's because they're not achieving the results they want in-house. Got to be transparent. It's not a customer supplier, it's a partnership, and we work with them to achieve their goals and we solve the dirt problem. Just this morning I've had a phone call, can we turn things around in a day? Yes, we can. I haven't worked out quite how, but we will. You know, between what we do on site, the transport arrangements, we've got connections with transport companies that will turn things around same day if needed. And the money is normally the justification for bringing us in. And you know, we've saved some companies like 70, 80, 100 grand on replacement parts. Usually on the production floor it starts because the guys don't like cleaning, and connected with that is they don't do it very well, they don't do it to the standard. Then where we come in is, instead of buying the equipment, getting their own staff doing the cleaning, and then having all the residual problems of the chemicals, the waste, etc., they outsource to us, and they find that works a lot better. They have certainty that the quality will be right. We're very flexible in turnaround times, and because the parts are normally very expensive, they don't like the hassle, they don't get it to the standard, and then the financial guys get involved and it's justified by the costs we save them. We're very customer focused, and what that means is they tell us what they want, we deliver it.
Sonic Solutions is an honest company who are transparent throughout the process. They are flexible, they work to their clients' needs and tailor accordingly. They are absolute pros at what they do. All you need to do is get in touch. It will save you money and it will ensure that your equipment is running as smoothly and efficiently as possible.